Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. Last night we watched Honey Badger try to recreate the meme. I mean, his came out really good looking. I mean, they look good. I know they tasted good. So it didn't come out looking like poo like, the others did, or the pictures I've seen online. So what I'm going to try is I used a little less milk than's called for in this one. I'm going to use the chocolate chip one, and I'm also going to use the 7L, which is the big Birmingham stove and range corn stick pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to preheat this, and I'm going to try to just plop it in there, because I noticed the other day when I made one, it didn't quite have enough milk in it, and it was really thick, and it did come out kind of in clumps when I cooked it. But of course I was using the acorn pan on that one, so the first round in that one, kind of come out clumpy. So I'm going to try it in this and see how it comes out. I'm not trying to walk over Honey Badger or any of his stuff. I just thought it'd be cool to try and see if I could recreate it. Alright guys, if there's going to be some batter that's going to make something that looks like poo, I'm pretty sure this is going to be it. But I also wanted to show my mixer, which is really hard not to use just for one packet, but I decided it's not worth doing it for, just one little packet of that for a test. So I don't know if you can see it, but the paint on this one's actually pretty cool. It's got a like a metallic, and then it's like opalized. It looks pretty cool. But I got it all cleaned up. Everything's good. The only thing it was missing was the flat paddle, but I took an order to set those. Actually should be in today or Monday. But it came out really nice. From everything, looking at the numbers, I think this one was made in the early 90s. And it's the custom, which these and the 600 series all basically had the same internals. It's just this one used a smaller bowl. That was the only difference. And the funny thing is I can actually get the bowl to make it a 600. It's the only difference. One thing looking at these, there's a ton of repair videos. There's one guy that's got a ton of them on these. They're really easy to fix. So I'm gonna start looking for some that are messed up and just get the kits to rebuild them. And I think they would do pretty good, but we'll see. Alright guys, we got it out. We got it oiled. I'm going to take and put these in here, and then we'll look at it real quick. Alright guys, I got a feeling that if anything's going to come out looking like poo, it's going to be these. Got them in there. We'll take and put them in the oven for 15 minutes. I know it's going to swell up some when it cooks. Hopefully not enough to make it, fill in all the cornbread stuff, but we'll see. We'll give it 15 minutes. Alright guys, from this side, I'd say it looks pretty close to the meme, but let's flip these out and see what they're going to look like on the other side. Put them over here. Well, on this side, everything just expanded in and it filled it up just like Mr. Honey Badger's did. So when they made the meme, they must have been showing the edge that was sticking up, because I can see how these would look like that, but anything that was inside the actual pan itself, I think would swell out, go into the kernels, and then look like the corn. So that's how they turned out, guys. Hope everybody has a great day.